Exciting day for me as an Intex Pool owner because no more squeezing through that tight ladder. I mean, I'm not a really big person, but it's very uncomfortable going up and down that ladder and trying to squeeze in between the handrails. And you know, it's also hard on the knees. And this is going to be my new pool ladder that's going to hook up to my new deck. I can't wait to show y'all what it's going to look like once we get it all completely attached. This is what the pieces of the ladder look like once they come out of the box. And this ladder is meant for vinyl pools, so you don't have to have one of those hard metal pools in order to use this. It's rated for vinyl pools. In fact, on the side of the box it says VinylWorks, Canada. I originally found this on Overstock, but then found it cheaper on Amazon. Imagine that. So we're going to put this together, but we're not going to attach it to the pool yet because it's going to be attached to the pool deck, which is not built yet. That will be another video. So far we've put the bottom piece in, and then we put the two handrails left and right into these grooves right here. Right there. And then we simply started dropping the stairs down onto the grooves. And when it got to the second stair, you have to insert those grooves right there. The second stair, before you put the second stair on, you have to put these notches in manually. So you're going to be using like a rubber hammer to hammer those into the holes, those holes. And then you just simply slide the next stair on top and make sure that it fits around the hole. These holes right here are the notches that come down onto this. So there's a notch here and it's going to come down on there. So you simply use this hole right here to slide it over this handrail. This allows you to adjust the angle of your pool ladder. So that is really cool. So that, you know, especially when it gets hard on your knees to go straight up, you can angle it a little bit to put less wear and tear on your knees. The installation of the pool ladder was fairly easy. If you can see, the pool ladder is not even touching the bottom of the pool, which in the beginning we were unsure about that. But it's actually a good thing because if you can see the mat down there, it only touches the mat when you need to go up the ladder. So the pool ladder is actually really good for this pool. All we had to do was shorten off some of the plastic off of these two ends here, and I will tell you exactly how much plastic we cut off. We cut off about 4 3/4 inches off of this VinylWorks brand pool ladder, and very safe and much better than the Intex ladders that come with the pool itself.